Can robots replace engineers? It's one of the biggest questions of our time. Can robots replace engineers? With artificial intelligence, automation, and robotics advancing rapidly, it's natural to wonder if the creators might one day be replaced by their own creations. Let's explore this question from both sides and see where the future of engineering is really headed. What robots are good at? Robots excel at repetition, precision, and speed. They can weld thousands of joints without fatigue, assemble parts with microscopic accuracy, and perform dangerous tasks humans shouldn't do. AI-powered design tools can now generate optimized structures, simulate thousands of conditions, and even suggest improvements faster than any human could. So yes, in terms of efficiency, robots already outperform us in many areas. What engineers do differently? But engineering isn't just about calculations and tasks. It's about creativity, problem solving, and judgment. Engineers don't just follow instructions, they ask questions. Why is this failing? How can we make it better? What are the trade-offs? Robots can analyze data, but they can't yet understand context or think outside the algorithm. Engineering involves imagination, ethics, and human experience, things no machine can truly replicate. Collaboration, not replacement. The future isn't about robots replacing engineers, it's about robots empowering engineers. Automation handles the repetitive work, AI handles the data-heavy analysis, and engineers focus on innovation and design, creating smarter, more sustainable systems. Think of it this way: robots are tools, not competitors. They extend human capability, not replace it. The new role of engineers. As robotics and AI grow, the engineer's role is evolving. Future engineers will need to understand AI algorithms and data systems, design machines that collaborate safely with humans, make ethical decisions about automation's impact on society. Tomorrow's engineers won't be replaced. They will be redefined as the designer of intelligent systems. In conclusion, so, can robots replace engineers? Not yet, and maybe never completely. Because behind every intelligent machine, there's still a human mind that built it, tested it, and gave it purpose. Robots may calculate faster, but engineers imagine the future, and that's something only humans can do. Please stay tuned to the channel where I explore the minds and machines that shape our world. Like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking engineering insights. Thank you.